students, today we are going to learn about prepositions. On, above, beside, these are the prepositions. Prepositions of place are used to show the position or location of one thing in relation to another. तो preposition से हम किसी भी चीज़ का प्लेस हम शो करते हैं कि वो चीज़ कहाँ पे रखी है, उसका क्या लोकेशन है, ये हम शो करते हैं. Prepositions of place are words like in, on, under, over, by, at, across, behind, in front of, between. These are the examples of prepositions which tells about the location of the given thing. That is called preposition. Now see here, where is the rabbit? Where is rabbit? Where is rabbit? Where is it? Where is it? The rabbit is on the table. The rabbit is on the table. The rabbit is on the table. Where is rabbit? Where is rabbit? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? The rabbit is hopping over the box. The rabbit is hopping over the box. जैसे आपको पिक्चर में दिखाई दे रहा है, रैबिट जो है बॉक्स के ऊपर से जंप कर रहा है, तो वो बॉक्स से टच नहीं कर रहा है, तो ऐसे टाइम पे हम यूज़ करेंगे प्रीपोजिशन ओवर. और यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई दे रहा है कि रैबिट जो है टेबल पे बैठा हुआ है, तो वो टच हो रहा है, तो ऐसे टाइम पे हम प्रीपोजिशन यूज़ करेंगे ऑन. तो आप लोगों को ओवर और ऑन में से कौन सा प्रीपोजिशन कहाँ यूज़ करना है वो डिफरेंस समझ में आया. नाउ सी अगेन, वेयर इज़ द रैबिट? वेयर इज़ द रैबिट? वेयर इज़ इट? Where is it? Where is it? The rabbit is under the table. The rabbit is under the table. Table के नीचे छुपा हुआ है वो. Now where is the rabbit? Where is the rabbit? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? The rabbit is in between the boxes. The rabbit is in between the boxes. Rabbit उन बॉक्सेस के बीच में है. Where is the rabbit? Where is the rabbit? कहाँ है rabbit? The rabbit is in the box. The rabbit is in the box. तो बॉक्स के अंदर है rabbit, हम इसलिए in preposition यूज करेंगे. Now again, where is the rabbit? Where is the rabbit? Where is it? Where is it? कहाँ है rabbit? Rabbit is in front of the box. The rabbit is in front of the box. Box के वो आगे की तरफ है, आगे है. Now again, where is the rabbit? Where is the rabbit? Where is it? Where is it? तो आपको दिखाई दे रहा है rabbit जो है box के पीछे है. So we can say the rabbit is behind the box. The rabbit is behind the box. In the picture you can see different prepositions according to the position of the dog or location of the dog given in picture. On, beside, above, between, in front of, behind, under, near. These are the prepositions are given here. You have to learn it. Now this is the worksheet for you. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. Prepositions are given here and you have to complete the fill in the blanks. What is the position of the cat? The cat is on the table. So we use preposition on. In second picture you can see the dog is in the box. तो डॉग कहाँ बैठा है? बॉक्स के अंदर बैठा है. इन थर्ड पिक्चर यू कैन सी द रैट इज, वेयर इज द रैट? द रैट इज नेक्स्ट टू द बॉक्स. नाउ in fourth picture the duck is, where is the duck? The duck is under the table. In fifth picture the rabbit is, where is the rabbit? The rabbit is behind the table. And in sixth picture where is the hen? The hen is in front of the table. Like that you have to complete this worksheet in your copy by observing the pictures given here. The next worksheet for you, you have to complete this worksheet on A4 sheet. First, observe the given picture carefully, the position of the things shown in this picture, and then use appropriate prepositions and complete this worksheet. Okay students, bye bye. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching.